It's an email. He says, what are the rights of the wife and children over the man? Allah Azza wa Jal has ordered us to treat our families and our spouses especially with care and conviction, bil ma'roof, and made us guardian over the females, whether spouses or sisters or daughters, due to what we spend over them, plus due to the status that Allah has given us over them. Therefore, as the Prophet ﷺ, when asked about the rights of a woman over one of us, the Prophet said to feed her from what you eat, and to clothe her, and to give her shelter, and not to beat her, nor beat her face, nor say ugly things about her face. So these are parts of the rights of women on men. And these rights also cascade down to your children, whether you're married or not, meaning you're divorced or still married. It is your obligation to support your children, to feed them, to clothe them, to shelter them, to provide proper education, medical care. All of these things are the responsibilities of men financially. Other than that, it is the men who are supposed to upbring their children in the right and correct Islamic fashion. It is your responsibility as a husband to take care of your wife and to prevent her from falling into the traps of shaitan. قُوا أَنفُسَكُمْ وَأَهْلِيكُمْ نَارًا. Prevent yourself and your families, including your spouses, hellfire. The Prophet Allah Azza wa Jal orders us twice in the Quran, and there are many, many other things, and Allah knows best. Abdul Rahman from Saudi Arabia. I think we've lost Abdul Rahman, who